Alright, so this is what's next on the menu as far as doing stuff that I need to do. The Boxster, it's currently in jack stands due to a few things. So it started with a busted coolant line right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's this right here. Okay, that happened, and I needed to do the shocks. I just got them put back together, new strut and whatever this part it's called, I forget. That needs to be put back in on both sides, but the other side needs something else. It also looks like that, by the way. I need to replace this wiring harness. Brake wear sensor and ABS sensor. There you go. Obviously I have to tighten everything down, but so far just the assembly. That's really it. I don't know if you can see much, but there you go. And the nuts to go up here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to replace this hose that goes right here. I bought both, so I think I might as well do both because I'm gonna put one and then the next day the other one's gonna go out. So Guess that's what making YouTube videos is about. Alright, here they are. They're the exact same thing. Probably can't see that, but these are Porsche parts. Part number is right there, and I believe it's the same part number for both. Yeah, you might not be able to see that, but yeah. Yeah, there they are.